Welcome to Eat Your Backyard. This is a nice spring. Everything is just going off. So many Tommy Atkins mangoes. I can't believe how many of these things are setting on the branches here. So heavy, it's just weighing all of the branches down to the ground. I mean, there's significant weight in these fruit, even though they're somewhat little, but look at this. Oh, beautiful. And everywhere you look. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the Tommy Atkins experience, and one of the things I noticed was that it is not only weeping down on the sides, but beginning to weep down on the top, which is nice. I would like it to weep down more. I've got to decide what I'm going to do post harvesting the fruit. I may top it off so that I don't have so much vertical growth. That's bad news when the hurricanes come. Let's take a look at the Hayden. Same thing. Same thing. Look at all those mangoes. This is going to be a big, big mango harvest. And the one tree that I've never gotten mangoes from, that I desperately want mangoes from, actually has a mango on it, which is the Edward mango. As you can see, even that has a mango. There's one there, and then there's one little one up there. There may be another one or two hiding up in the canopy somewhere, but all those flowers, only two set. Such an elusive mango. This year we're crediting the bunny manure with the win on getting two. So hopefully a big wind event doesn't come and knock them all down. But yeah, bumper crop of mangoes. See the perspective of the three I have this year. I do need to get more varieties than three. If you have a favorite you recommend, go ahead and post it in the comments. Let me know how your mango trees are doing this year. I credit my abundance directly to the bunny manure I've now added into the yard, especially under all these fruit trees, the additional focus on watering, and the application of vermiculture through my worm farm by putting worm casting tea all over everything. So it's going off. Yeah, maybe this is the year to get a mango tree in your life. If I were you, I would do it. This is the king of fruits, my friends. There is nothing finer. Well, matter of opinion, I suppose, but who could argue having a mango tree in your yard is a good thing. So thanks for watching Eat Your Backyard. If you like these kinds of videos, go ahead and subscribe, please. Hit the like button. Let us know what you think in the comments. Also, give me ideas for new videos. I always like to get that kind of feedback. Thanks for watching Eat Your Backyard.